Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to whiten teeth. Okay, for example, I will open this image, and if you want to whiten this teeth, first I will select by using these tools. Okay, you can click in here to select. You also can press Alt buttons to deselect the selection. This make it negative, and you can release Alt buttons to add the positive. I will press again Alt buttons to negative selection. Okay, like this, and you can right click, choose a layer via copy, so it will be create new layer, and then in this layer you can right click and then choose blending option. After it, I will use this gradient overlay to change the color of the teeth. You can check, and then we can set for the gradient color. You can click in here. We set the color into here. Okay, and the other you can set more dark. This color. Click OK again. Click OK to apply. Now you can set for the opacity at this point, and you can set blending mode into hard like. If you done, you can click OK. Now it will be automatically create the whiten teeth. This is before and this is after. Okay, that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials how to whiten teeth. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.